5 amazing solo travel destinations. From meeting new people to discovering new cultures, solo travel has the power to change your life. So, without further ado, let's jump right in. First up, we have Tokyo, Japan. Tokyo is a bustling metropolis that offers something for everyone. From its vibrant street life to its tranquil gardens, this city is a must-visit for any solo traveler. If you're looking for adventure, be sure to check out the Shibuya crossing, the busiest intersection in the world. Or, if you're in the mood for something more low-key, the Shinjuku-gyoen National Garden is the perfect place to relax and enjoy the beauty of nature. Next on our list is Reykjavik, Iceland. Reykjavik is a unique destination that offers a range of experiences that you won't find anywhere else in the world. If you're a nature lover, be sure to visit the Blue Lagoon, a geothermal spa that's known for its rejuvenating properties. Or, if you're interested in Icelandic culture, check out the National Museum of Iceland, which offers an in-depth look at the country's history. Moving on, we have Hoi An, Vietnam. Hoi An is a small town located on the coast of Vietnam that's known for its stunning architecture and beautiful beaches. One of the highlights of Hoi An is the Old Town, which is a UNESCO World Heritage Site that features a mix of Japanese, Chinese, and Vietnamese architecture. If you're looking for a more active experience, be sure to rent a bike and explore the surrounding countryside. Next up, we have Cape Town, South Africa. Cape Town is a vibrant city that's located at the southern tip of Africa. One of the highlights of Cape Town is Table Mountain, which offers stunning views of the city and the surrounding landscape. If you're interested in history, be sure to visit Robben Island, which is where Nelson Mandela was imprisoned for 18 years. Finally, no trip to Cape Town would be complete without visiting the Cape of Good Hope, which is the southernmost point of the African continent. Our final destination on this list is Lisbon, Portugal. Lisbon is a city that's full of history and culture. One of the highlights of Lisbon is the Alfama district, which is a maze of narrow streets that's perfect for exploring on foot. Be sure to check out the Castelo de São Jorge, which offers stunning views of the city. Finally, no trip to Lisbon would be complete without trying the local cuisine, which features a mix of seafood, meat, and pastries. Whether you're looking for adventure or relaxation, these destinations offer something for everyone. Remember, solo travel can be a life-changing experience, so don't be afraid to take the leap and explore the world on your own. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.